Just a little bit more about setting up your auxiliaries. Auxiliaries are done with a piece of hardware called an IOX AUX. It allows you to monitor up to 4 inputs, and 2 of them can be used in series to be able to monitor up to 8 auxiliaries. For instance, you might want to monitor the brooms on a street sweeper or monitor a bucket truck to make sure that the bucket safety lock is engaged before the vehicle drives away. If you wire an auxiliary connection incorrectly and it's showing up true when it should be false or on when it should be off, you can change that in the user interface. Rather than having to rewire the auxiliary, you can simply click on the Invert Input Value button to make that change. Let's say, for instance, auxiliary 1 is a bucket. We want the device to beep at the driver if the bucket is not locked down and the vehicle goes over, say, 6 miles per hour. Another example is a street sweeper, and we want to notify the driver through the beeping of the device or using the Go Talk if the brooms are moving and the vehicle goes faster than, say, 10 miles per hour. Using these settings with the auxiliaries can assist your driver in making correct decisions and in sweeping at the correct speeds or spreading materials at the correct rate. Once you've finished setting your auxiliaries up, be sure to go back to the top of the page and click the Save button to save your settings.